30 days ago, I started a simple experiment. I wanted to find out if posting AI videos on YouTube could actually grow a brand new channel. No expensive software, no paid promotion, no team, just free AI tools, consistency, and curiosity. Like many beginners, I believed what I saw online. People kept saying that AI makes YouTube easy. Just generate a script, create a voice, upload a video, and wait for the views. It sounded almost too good to be true. So instead of believing those claims, I decided to test them myself. I committed to uploading AI content consistently for 30 days. I promised myself that no matter what happened, I would be honest about the results. And after 30 days, I learned something that completely changed the way I think about YouTube growth. The truth was very different from what I expected. During those first few days, I made the same mistake that almost every new creator makes. I kept opening YouTube Studio every few hours, hoping to see a big jump in views. Every notification felt exciting. Every new impression gave me hope. But most of the time, nothing changed. Some videos received only a few views, while others barely reached anyone at all. At first, I thought the algorithm was ignoring my channel. Then I blamed my editing. After that, I blamed my thumbnails. Eventually, I realized the problem wasn't YouTube. The problem was my expectations. I expected results before I had earned enough experience. YouTube wasn't judging me after 3 or 4 videos. It was still trying to understand what my channel was about and who would enjoy watching it. Around the middle of the month, I stopped worrying about numbers and started studying my own content instead. I watched my videos like a viewer, not like a creator. I noticed that some introductions were too slow. Some titles sounded interesting to me, but not to someone who had never heard of my channel. Even my thumbnails looked clean, but they didn't create enough curiosity. That was the moment everything changed. Instead of asking, why am I not getting views? I started asking, would I click on this if it wasn't my own video? That single question helped me improve every upload. I realized that growth doesn't begin with the algorithm. It begins with making videos that people actually want to watch. Another lesson surprised me more than anything else. AI can save time, but it cannot replace creativity. It can write a first draft, generate a voice, or help create visuals, but it can't build trust with an audience. It can't tell your personal story, and it can't make viewers care about your journey. The more I relied on AI to do everything, the more generic my videos felt. The more I added my own thoughts, experiences, and honest opinions, the stronger the content became. That's when I understood that AI is a powerful tool, but the creator behind the tool still makes the biggest difference. By the end of those 30 days, my channel hadn't exploded with millions of views. I didn't become famous overnight, and I certainly didn't make life-changing money, but I gained something much more valuable. I learned how YouTube really works. Success isn't built by one lucky upload. It's built by improving one small thing with every new video: better titles, better thumbnails, better storytelling, better pacing. Every upload became a lesson instead of a test. And once I started thinking that way, creating content became much less stressful and much more enjoyable. That's a mindset I wish I had from the very beginning. After this experiment, if someone asked me whether they should start an AI YouTube channel, my answer would still be yes. But I would also tell them the truth. Don't expect AI to build your channel for you. AI can make your workflow faster, but it can't replace patience, consistency, or creativity. The creators who succeed aren't always the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who keep improving even when nobody is watching. Every video teaches you something, every mistake makes you better, and every upload gives YouTube more information about your channel. If you keep learning instead of giving up, you're already ahead of most beginners. Looking back, those 30 days completely changed my mindset. I stopped chasing instant success and started focusing on long-term improvement. Instead of asking how fast I could grow, I asked how I could make my next video better than my last one. That simple change made creating content much more enjoyable. My journey is still just beginning, and I know there are many more lessons ahead. But if you're also trying to build an AI YouTube channel, I hope this experiment helps you stay patient and keep moving forward. Let me know in the comments how long you've been creating content and what's been your biggest challenge so far. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more real AI creator experiments, honest lessons, and practical YouTube growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.